Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Chevrolet Impala. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 102,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include convenience package, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof.